So we're here in Pensford Viaduct. I saw my friend Sue come here the other day and I thought it really looks nice. So we're here to see it as well. And then it reminds me of the whole Harry Potter, like the train thingy. That was called the train tracks, I guess. There you go. The viaduct there. They also have like very nice looking houses here, like small cottages and stuff like that. So we thought we'd visit. Then although it was very difficult to find parking space because the town is very small. The viaduct there. Mike is just waiting for me. It's all done. We're just looking for another way to get closer to the viaduct. Not sure, so we'll just keep walking, just keep walking. Let's keep walking. There's like a small church there. This town is really, oh, it looks really nice, isn't it? I mean, this small bridge as well. Definitely it looks picturesque. But I'm surprised that like not a lot of tourists here. Well, probably they will know now. Yeah. I mean, look at that. Even the houses in here, they look really nice. Come on, look at that. Right. It's like a small gap there to go to the river. Meg is there already. Let's keep going. It's actually very cold today and it's very quiet. You can hear the water flowing and the birds everywhere. Oh, it's very cold. It's very cold. You can hear the river. You can hear the river there. Let's follow the sound of the water. It's actually there. Very nice. Alright, there's a miniature waterfalls. We can't go to the bridge, so we'll probably have to walk around again. Circle back. The houses looks really nice. The water is clear. Usually there's some ducks, but there's nothing. No fish either. But yeah, looks really nice. Hold on. So we cannot cross the bridge because it's a private property over there. Diba? Private property, so we cannot cross.
The pub.
Yeah, it's a pub, and they're closed at the moment, so we can't really cross there. That's a shame. Yeah, so what are we gonna do now? Should we go? Okay, let's go. I think for the vlog, I'll probably just go on the bridge, see what's there. Maybe if I can get any more photos, maybe, I don't know. I mean, look at that viaduct there. I'm not sure if you can see. There. It's really massive, this thing. This reminds me of the Harry Potter railway thingy. What was that called? What was that called?
Something viaduct.
Is it also a viaduct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Glenfinnan Viaduct.
What?
Glenfinnan Viaduct.
Glenfinnan Viaduct, apparently. So yeah. It's really massive. Is that also a train track, do you
I
think?
don't think it's not anymore. I don't think it's used anymore.
Okay. So it's just there for aesthetic purposes, maybe. Yeah, interesting. But yeah, let's have a look. Dun, dun, dun. It's a really nice house over there. This nice river here. Alright, you can see the viaduct there behind me. More there, so the bridge. Yeah, probably go home now because Mike is waiting. We're just doing this for the vlog. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you have any other comments or suggestions, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't yet, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload the videos. Okay, thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye!